If you're tired of spending hours in the kitchen or dreading the cleanup afterwards, this video is for you. We've got over 30 incredible hacks that'll save you serious time and energy. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's jump right in. First up, let's talk prep work, because smart prep is where speed cooking really begins. Tip number 1, the mise en place method. This French technique means everything in its place. Before you even turn on the stove, wash, chop, and measure all your ingredients. Trust me, this 5-minute investment up front will save you 15 minutes during cooking. Use small bowls or a muffin tin to organize everything. Tip number 2, batch prep your vegetables. When you're chopping onions, don't just chop one, chop 3 or 4. Store them in the fridge in airtight containers. Same goes for garlic, bell peppers, and carrots. You'll thank yourself later in the week. Tip number 3, the garlic hack. Here's a game changer. Smash your garlic cloves with the flat side of your knife. Then the skin practically falls off. Even faster, use a garlic press, no peeling required. Tip number 4, freeze herbs in oil. Chop fresh herbs and freeze them in ice cube trays with olive oil. Pop one out whenever you need fresh herb flavor. It's like having a flavor bomb ready to go. Now let's talk about actually cooking faster without sacrificing flavor. Tip number 5, room temperature ingredients. Take your proteins out 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. Room temperature meat and fish cook more evenly and faster than cold ingredients straight from the fridge. Tip number 6, the pasta water trick. Start your pasta water boiling first, even before you start prepping other ingredients. Use a lid to make it boil faster and add salt once it's rolling. Pro tip, save some starchy pasta water to help your sauce stick better. Tip number 7, one-pan wonders. Sheet pan meals are your best friend. Toss vegetables and protein with oil and seasonings, spread on a sheet pan, and let the oven do the work. Cleanup is minimal, and everything cooks together perfectly. Tip number 8, the microwave isn't just for leftovers. Use your microwave to partially cook dense vegetables like potatoes, butternut squash, or cauliflower before adding them to stir fries or roasting. This cuts cooking time in half. Tip number 9, sharp knives save time. A sharp knife isn't just safer, it's faster. You'll cut through ingredients with ease instead of crushing and sawing. Invest in a good knife sharpener or get them professionally sharpened. Here's where we separate the pros from the amateurs. Cleaning while you cook. Tip number 10, the 2-bowl system. Keep one bowl for trash and another for dirty utensils while you cook. This keeps your workspace clear and makes cleanup so much easier. Tip number 11, fill your sink with hot, soapy water. Do this before you start cooking. Drop dirty items in as you go, and they'll be much easier to clean later. The soaking does half the work for you. Tip number 12, use parchment paper and foil. Line your sheet pans with parchment paper or foil. When dinner's done, you literally just throw the liner away. Your pans stay spotless. Tip number 13, clean your cutting board immediately, especially after cutting raw meat or strong-flavored ingredients like onions. A quick scrub right away prevents cross-contamination and saves you from scrubbing dried-on mess later. Let's continue with cleanup tips that'll have you out of the kitchen in record time. Tip number 14, the deglazing trick. After cooking proteins in a pan, don't let it sit and get crusty. While the pan is still warm, add a splash of wine, broth, or even water. The steam and heat will loosen all those stuck-on bits, making it wipe clean easily. Tip number 15, strategic dishwasher loading. Load as you go. Instead of letting dishes pile up, rinse and load them into the dishwasher throughout your cooking process. By the time you're done eating, you just need to add detergent and run it. Bonus tip, the baking soda paste. For really stubborn, stuck-on food, make a paste with baking soda and water. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then scrub gently. Works like magic on burnt pans and baking sheets. Now let's talk about kitchen organization that saves you time every single day. Tip number 16, the Lazy Susan game changer. Put a Lazy Susan in your fridge for condiments and small jars. No more digging around, just spin and grab what you need. Tip number 17, magnetic spice storage. Mount magnetic spice containers on your fridge or a metal board. Your spices are visible, accessible, and take up zero counter space. Tip number 18, the freezer flat pack method. Store soups, sauces, and marinades flat in freezer bags. They stack like books, thaw faster, and take up way less space than containers. Tip number 19. Command Center Setup. Create a cooking command center near your stove with your most used tools: wooden spoons, tongs, spatulas. Use a utensil crock or magnetic strips to keep everything within arm's reach. Tip number 20. Glass container investment. Invest in good glass containers with tight-fitting lids. They're microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and you can see what's inside. Leftovers become tomorrow's quick lunch. Let's maximize the tools you already have in your kitchen. Tip number 21. Instant Pot multitasking. While your main dish pressure cooks, use the function afterward to reduce sauces or toast spices. One pot, multiple techniques. Tip number 22. Oven efficiency. When using your oven, cook multiple things at once. Roasting vegetables while baking chicken, perfect. Just adjust rack positions for even cooking. Tip number 23. Blender, ice cube trick. Freeze leftover wine, coffee, or broth in ice cube trays. Toss them frozen into soups, stews, or sauces for instant flavor boosts without diluting. Tip number 24. Stand mixer multitasking. While your stand mixer works on dough or whipped cream, use that time to prep other ingredients or clean up. Don't just stand there watching it work. Tip number 25. Air fryer speed boost. Your air fryer isn't just for French fries. Use it to quickly reheat pizza, crisp up leftover fried foods, or even bake small portions faster than your full oven. The biggest time saver: planning ahead strategically. Tip number 26. The cook once, eat twice rule. When making ground beef for tacos, make double and use half for pasta sauce later in the week. Same cooking time, 2 different meals. Tip number 27. Sunday sauce prep. Spend 30 minutes on Sunday making a big batch of versatile tomato sauce. Use it for pizza, pasta, shakshuka, or as a braising liquid all week long. Tip number 28. Protein prep day. Marinate and portion proteins for the entire week in freezer bags. They marinate while frozen, then thaw perfectly seasoned and ready to cook. Tip number 29. The grain game. Cook a big batch of rice, quinoa, or farro at the start of the week. Store in the fridge and reheat portions as needed for bowls, salads, or side dishes. Tip number 30. Freezer meal assembly. Spend one afternoon assembling freezer meals, slow cooker dumps, casseroles, or marinated proteins ready to thaw and cook. Future you will be so grateful for those nights when you're running on empty, but still need to get dinner on the table. And there you have it. 30 of the best game-changing tips that'll revolutionize your time in the kitchen. I know that's a lot to take in, so here's my challenge for you. Pick just 3 tips that excited you the most and focus on those this week. Remember, cooking should be enjoyable, not stressful. These tips are all about giving you more time to actually enjoy your food and the people you're sharing it with. Which tip are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you have your own kitchen hacks, I'd love to hear them. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more kitchen content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!